Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video you will learn how to activate Google Assistant in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. To go to Google Assistant, you will always have Google Assistant icon. Just if you click over it, it will go. Okay. Or otherwise, if you can easily activate by long pressing this home button. Just long press this home button and Google Assistant will open up. Okay, here I am going to ask Google Assistant. Okay,
what do you want to open?
Open Free Fire.
Okay.
And it will open Free Fire now. Okay, so Google Assistant, using Google Assistant, you can instruct Google to do some task that you would like to actually do. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate Google Assistant in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.